All right, man. Here we go, baby. Another unboxing episode. We in the building, man. Joey here.
What's good, my guy?
Hey, man. Feeling good, man. Feeling good. You stopped at the Connect on your way here, so
On the way here, man. Like I said, man, my guy called me with the tone in his voice that he got something in. I knew they was getting money on this side of town. I ain't have nothing.
You know what I mean?
I didn't want them to set up shop and run me out of all my fiends when it came over there.
We expanding business on this side. We are definitely expanding the business on this side.
Yeah,
We try to get to real estate and shit like that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Let's get to it, man.
Yeah, let's do it.
We sit here forever with the spicy ad libs. We're gonna go slight.
There are no gloves. There are no gloves with this?
No gloves with this one.
No gloves with this.
No gloves with this. Nice birthday gift from the wife.
Uh-huh.
You know what I'm saying? Trina Marie. Shout out Trina Marie.
Uh-huh.
Co-host of the Where's Brunch podcast.
Uh-huh.
You know what I'm saying? AKA Chick on the Scene.
Chick on the scene. Mm-hmm. Let's tilt that puppy up so we know exactly what we're doing.
Y'all know
here.
that burgundy box when you see it.
Right off the bat.
You know the burgundy box when you see it.
The burgundy.
Light work, getting ready for vacation. You know what I mean?
You got all this wrapping in here. It's, so pristine.
Yes.
Oh, look at that.
Yes.
What an interesting situation we've got here.
Very nice. Very nice.
Very nice. So we've expanded the kicks here to a nice slide.
Nice slide. The interlocking bees.
Can never go wrong with a good solid slide, man.
That's true.
He's a tough, man.
Yeah, you know.
It's a tough. It's a full rubber all the way through.
It's a Bally Slide.
Yeah, it's the Bally Slide.
What do you want?
I like the interlocking bees on the top, though. That's dope.
I like that a lot.
That's really dope, actually.
I like the interlocking bees
Very dope.
a lot.
Yeah. It's a nice touch.
that was a very dope gift.
very
Completely
nice
surprised.
touch,
I hadn't expressed that I wanted these or nothing.
Yeah.
I did look at some before, some burgundy joints. Wow, I was like, I didn't get them. So she kept that in the chamber and let off. She let off that bullet for my birthday.
The slide movement is a real thing now.
It is.
Before, all you had was Adidas, and that was it. Adidas owned the slides.
With the stripes going across the top?
That was that. And every kid that ever played soccer or anything or baseball was wearing them.
Gotta wear them,
And then Nike got into the slide game. And then, I don't know who did it first. If it was Versace.
I don't think it's a matter of who did it first. I think it's a matter of who revolutionized the slide game.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, who do you think did that?
I think Yeezy did that.
But these are I don't know, man. I don't know if I can give that to him. I'll say he jumped in the slide game, but before the Yeezy slides, like I remember the Medusa head joints from Versace.
They've been around. I said revolutionized game. I know he didn't start it make them do this, you know what I'm saying? But slides being what they are now compared to what they were before. So you think the slide movement was already at an apex before Yeezy jumped into it?
I think the slides were a thing. I honestly saw Yeezy and the slides more of a Croc world situation than this.
Okay. Maybe Future is responsible.
Somebody is.
Future with Scottie Pippen's wife? Gucci flip-flops?
Gucci flip-flops. Gucci flip-flops.
Maybe Future did. I don't know.
But the other side is I remember women wearing the Medusa head Versace joints, and then everybody started getting in. Yeah. So, nonetheless, the big boy brands are now in this world.
I'll be strutting up and down the beach, not the same.
In these out.
In these right here.
In the chancletas.
Maybe Kim is responsible for calling out home.
Right? Toes out.
That was the last toe out shaming that happened.
You can't say anything after that.
that.
You can't. What are you saying now?
Because he tried to shame Hope and it didn't work.
It did not work.
And I think that might have been the start of something Maybe Cam is responsible. Who knows?
Maybe Cam will take it if you're willing to give it to him. Both.
Straight up. Shout out to Cam,
Yeah,
man.
those are tough.
Yeah, man. Dope joints, man. Shout out to Trina again, man. She
Good work there, Trina.
You know, I don't expect gifts for my birthday.
Yeah.
But, you know.
You'll take them when they get here.
Take it.
Take it when they get
Take
here.
it. Pause.